Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Redbubble. Start Redbubble from scratch. Beginner guide. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, as you can see right now, I am currently in Redbubble. If you don't know, Redbubble is a platform similar to other e-commerce platform out there where you could start selling your different artworks and start earning through the designs that you create. As you can see here on our example over here, there will be different examples of different artworks that are currently being sold in Redbubble, and you could do this as well. So in today's video, I will be teaching you how you could utilize Redbubble to start earning money, and we're going to also create an account, show you how you could upload your designs, and how you could also create your designs without being a professional artwork designer. So let's get right into it. The first thing you would need to do, of course, when you go to Redbubble is to create your account. You won't be able to upload any products if you don't have an account yet, so you can simply create an account by clicking on this sign up option over here on the top right. When you click this, you will be redirected to this page. You could choose if you want to be a customer, where you could browse the marketplace and find your thing that you are looking for, or you could be an artist, set up shop and start selling your own design. And as you can see here also, if you sign up as a customer, you will receive a 20% off your first order, and your coupon will be emailed after sign up. It's completely up to you if you want to be a customer or an artist, but for today's video, let's say I am an artist, because as an artist, I could start my shop and also I could buy products from the marketplace. So over here, simply select artist, then simply enter your email, the shop name that you would like to have, and password over here. For the customer, it's going to be username over here, and you can simply click on sign up, and you will be able to automatically and easily sign up right away. Now I'm going to go log in into my account, and there we go. I'm back and logged in into my account. My account is a merchant or like a artist, because we will be able to start selling our own products also. And as you can see here also, we have our different store or products over here available for us to buy as well. As you can see here, for example, this one, the mouse pad, you can also buy this even though I am an artist in my account. So when you're looking for products, like with any other platform out there, you will have a search bar over here. You can simply select this and you can simply search for the specific product that you are trying to look for. And you can also see like top artists over here. You can also check out top products, like popular products right now in Redbubble. You can also see your quick links over here, or even have a customer support options over here. You can also see different categories over here below your search bar. You have your designs, explore designs, you have aesthetic, animal and nature, for you, Netflix fan art, official fan art, pop culture. You have your gifts over here, all of this option. Stationery in office, you have this options over here. Accessories, all of these accessories that you are seeing right now. Tote bag, toiletry bags, tech accessories, socks, scarves, pins, masks. You have products for your pets like bandanas, blankets, and mats. You have for kids and babies like t-shirts, masks, hoodies, home and living, acrylic blocks, aprons, bath mats, wall arts, phone cases, stickers, and clothing, and many more. You will be able to find almost every type of product and have a design for those specific types of product. Now, you could also check out artists over here if ever you would like to have a specific design. For example, this one, this person have the specific style over here on the preview option. When you click this, you will be able to see their design. And as you can see, most of her design have a similar art style. So if you like her art style, you could look through her different products over here, and then you could buy from her products because her designs are very consistent. And you could do this to any type of artist that you think their artwork is very good, and you could check out the different products that they offer. For example, this one over here, retro moon pattern, I really like this. And you could also see here the different products available for this specific design, as you can see here, and I like more options over here. And when you like to buy, for example, I would like to buy this product over here, I can simply click on a specific product just like that. And we will be redirected to the specific product that we have selected, just like that. We could choose the model over here. Let's say iPhone 14 Pro. Then the case style, we have soft case, we have snap case over here. Let's go with the soft case for now. Then simply click on add to cart and click on view cart, just like that. The pricing is, let's see, $37 with the standard shipping option over here. As you can see here, you will see more options and you can simply check out over here and you will be able to order your item that you have selected. And just also coupon and gift card available over here, which you will receive in your email. Like what we said earlier, if you're a new account, you will receive a coupon in your email that will give you a 20% off the product that you're going to buy, the first product that you're going to buy. Now, if you're an artist and you would like to sell some products, of course, the process is different. You're going to have to select your account over here and you're going to have to click on sell your art. When you click on sell your art, you will be redirected to a dashboard over here, as you can see. And this is the different requirements you would need to set up your shop. The first requirement is, of course, add your designs, set up your store, and get paid over here. You would need to add your profile picture, cover image, social links, bio, then your name and address, email, phone number, and payment details as well. And for example, I am a creator and I would like to add a design so that I could start selling in Redbubble as well. I would suggest that you use Canva. Canva is an amazing platform wherein you could create amazing designs while using the feature elements that has hundreds and thousands of elements that you could use. So in Redbubble, there is a requirement for design. So I click on add designs over here, and as you can see, they have a recommended resolution. So the minimum recommended resolution is 1000 pixels. So you're going to have to create a design in Canva that has more than or exactly 1000 pixel resolution over here. So let's go back to Canva. Click on create design. Also, don't worry, Canva is absolutely for free. You will be able to use this application and use the different features absolutely for free without a worry. There is a premium version, but you won't really be missing out on too much because you will still be able to use the main features of Canva. So let's go and click on custom size over here and let's type in our size. So let's go with 1.5 as our width and 1.5 as well as our height so that we have a square design. I prefer to create designs to a square, but it is completely up to you on what type of size that you want to have as long as it is above 1000 pixel resolution. So over here, we have our design over here. You have your elements, uploads, and text. These are the main three things that you will be using when you're creating your design. For the elements, you could add any type of elements that you want, as you can see here. For the upload, you could upload different photos that you have if you would like to use that as a design. And over here on text, you could use these different font groups to create an amazing design as well. As you can see, there's different types of font that you could use over here for yourself. And over here, you can simply click on search elements over here and then you could type any topic that you would like to create a design of. For example, I would like to type moon, and as you can see, I have graphics, photos, and videos, and even frames over here as an option. So let's go and see on the moon, and as you can see, you will see different types of graphic artwork over here. So for example, I will go with this one and put it over here on the top right. Then you could add more different elements over here. If ever you would like to use different elements, it is completely up to you on which element you would like to use. And what else? I'll search Japanese wave, just like that. Click on search, then we have this wave over here, and we copy this just like that. We can enlarge in this maybe just like that, and then we have like black and white design over here. Let's see if we can find a better output over here. Let's add this as our background as well. Put it just like that. Then click on position, move it to the back, change the transparency to super light, just like that, so that we have a texture on our output over here. We have our design there, and now you can simply add whatever design that you would like to add to your output. Actually, I would like to have this as our background if it's possible. Let's see. Put it just like that. Position to the back. Then let's go and click on transparency. Make it minimum size, just like that. Now we have a very simple design on Canva. It's not the best, but let's go with it for now. Simply click on share over here on the top right. Click on download, then simply click on download once again using the PNG or JPEG depending on what file type you want. Then we're simply going to wait for it to upload and see it over here. As you can see, it's done. Click on new upload over here, select your design that you have just downloaded, and as you can see, it's going to be uploaded over here on our Redbubble. And there we go, this is our design. You can add your title, tags, description, and you can see your designs on the different types of product available over here. You have phone cases, magnets, pillows, mouse pads, and all of the different options that you are seeing right now. You could choose whatever type of product that you would like to have, as you can see. And you could edit over here. You could change the sections vertically, horizontally, all of those stuff. Completely up to you. And I suggest you use better sizing. I think our sizing is a bit off, so it's not really looking great. But as you can see, for example, this one, it looks great. You have your water bottle over here. You can enable this and stuff like that. And after this, you can simply choose the media over here, design and illustration, and painting and mixed media over here, or digital art. There we go. Then you have your default product in shop. What's your content? Of course not. Then you could add agree. Then click on save work. Oh, actually we need to put our title. So let's put a simple title for now. Minimalist, wave, and boom. There we go. Then we're simply going to scroll back down, click on save work, and there we go. It's now adding our work to our store. There we go. Process complete, and you will now be able to start selling the specific product that you have created. And you will also be able to see different mockups available over here, as you can see here. And there we go. That's it, guys. That is how you will be able to use Redbubble as a customer and as a store owner as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.